Hello guys, this question came in the Grace Academy National Olympiad and it was one of the easiest questions. It was the 30th question for the multiple choice section and it was allocated for 1 point. So the question reads, the smallest integer greater than n, which n is a very nasty product of logarithms, is, we have 5 options, 11, 20, 3, 8 and 9. So the first recall we are going to get is that logarithm to the base a of b is simply logarithm of b divided by logarithm of a, where a and b are positive and a is different from 1. Now having this in mind, we can now write each of these logarithms as a ratio of 2 logarithms. That's logarithm of the argument on logarithm of the base. So our n becomes logarithm of 3 on logarithm of 2 times logarithm of 4 on logarithm of 3 right up till logarithm of 2022 over logarithm of 2021. Now we clearly see that logarithm of 3 will take care of logarithm of 3, logarithm of 4 will take care of logarithm of 4, definitely logarithm of 5 will take care with a logarithm of 5 which we have not written, and logarithm of 2021 will also be taken care of. There are some terms here that we have not written. So at the end, we are going to get logarithm of 2022 in the numerator and logarithm of 2 in the denominator. We can rewrite this as logarithm to the base 2 of 2022. Now, what do we need? We need the smallest integer, which is greater than n. So what we are going to do is that we are going to write our 2022 between 2 powers of 2. Remember that in this examination, calculators were not allowed. If they were allowed, then somebody could just punch logarithm of 2022 over logarithm of 2, get the approximate and then deduce the answer directly. But calculators were not allowed, so the students needed to use a little bit of functions, the logarithmic function specifically. So we are going to bound 2022 between 2 powers of 2. Why are we doing this? So that if we take logarithm to the base 2 on all the sides, remember logarithm to the base 2 is an increasing function since the base is greater than 1. Taking logarithm to the base 2 on all the sides, in the middle we just get our n. On the left hand side we can use the laws of logarithm, and as well on the right hand side, and we are going to get our number n to be between 2 integers, specifically 2 natural numbers, which are n and m. Now what is going to be n and what is going to be m? Remember that this n and m are supposed to be very close to each other, and we see that if our n is 10, then 2 to the power 10 is 1024. 2 to the power 11, taking m to be 11, is 2048. So we see that these are the closest two values, these are the closest powers of 2 which 2022 lie between. So automatically we can say that 10 is less than n, less than 11. But what do we need? We need a smallest integer that is greater than n, meaning that n should be less than that integer, right? So since we have n to be less than 11, it is also less than 12, it is less than 13, it is less than 14, it is less than 15, because 11 is less than all of them. The relation less than is antisymmetric. That's, let me say, it is it's not antisymmetric, sorry, it is a partial order relation, so it is transitive. So if n is less than 11 and 11 is less than 12, it means n is less than 12. 11 is less than 13, it means n is less than 13, and so on and so forth. But what do we need? We need the smallest integer that is greater than n, and automatically it's going to be 11, because n is less than 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. But the smallest of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on is 11. So option A is correct. So if you want to see some other questions that featured in the National Olympiad for the engineering students, this is one of the questions, and here is another question. So you can solve the question and you give your answer in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to you if your response is correct or wrong. If you need a solution to these other 2 questions that has been displayed to you, just comment so that we can do another video to explain or to give you the solution of these 2 questions that have been displayed to you. Alright, so thank you for watching. Endeavor to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so that whenever videos are uploaded, you always be notified to come and watch. Share the video with your friends, like the video, and thank you, and see you in the next video.